Hey everyone, this is Ray, and in today's video, we'll be learning how to save data inside Firebase DB accounts. Let's get into it. I created a simple design and code for creating accounts using Firebase DB. If you don't know how to do that, then watch the videos linked in the description. After creating the login and sign up screen, we are going to create a new screen and add the following. From the layout, we're going to add a horizontal arrangement, and inside this horizontal arrangement would be 3 labels and a button. Now outside this horizontal arrangement would be a label and a button. After doing so, we're going to go to label 1, set it to font bold, font size to 16, and text to score column. Now we're gonna go to label 2, set it to font bold, and again set the font size to 16, set the text to 0. Next is going to label 3, set text to nothing, and width to 30%. After doing so, we're gonna go to button 1, set it to font bold, background color to red, text color to white, and the text shall be sign out. Just like that. Now we're also gonna head to the horizontal arrangement, set the align horizontal to center, align vertical to center, and set the width to fill parent. Next, we're gonna go to the screen and set the align horizontal to center. Head to label 4, set the text to nothing, and height to 50%. Next, we're gonna go to button 2, set the text to a plus, font size to 50, font bold, background color to red, text color to white, and the width shall be 40%, just like so. We're also gonna set the screen background color to light gray. Here comes the most important part. We're gonna scroll down to experimentals and get the Firebase DB. Then we're gonna take some rest from MIT App Inventor platform, open a new tab and search for firebase.google.com. At the top right, you will see Go to Console. Click it. Create a new project. Our project name shall be Button Game. Hit Continue. Again, choose Continue. Select our account and create project. This might take a few seconds. Let's wait. Finishing up. And there it is. Our Firebase project is ready. Click Continue. And now we're gonna go to Build and search for real-time database. This one. After that, we're going to create a new database. Click Next and Enable. And there is our new project. Before we copy this URL, we're gonna go to Rules and then change the false ones to true. Just like this. Now click Publish. Go to Data again. And then copy this URL. Now we're gonna go to MIT App Inventor and change the Firebase URL from default to the URL we just copied. Finally, let's rename label 1 to score text. Label 2 is gonna be score value. Label 3 to spacer 1. Button 1 to sign out button. Label 4 to spacer 2. And finally button 2 to add button. In the end, thank you so much for your attention, and I look forward to meeting you in the next video. Peace out.